Hi folks, my name's Craig. I wanted to give you a super quick demo of what's new in v0.9 of GPTScript. These features are largely in our new UI, so let's start by launching that. Alright, so here you can see the UI is launched, and our first feature is you can create scripts right from our UI. So if I start here and just put in a few details, demo2.gpt, demo, you can see we're dropped into the creation experience here. And so over here, you just kind of start writing your agent. The most basic version will have a name, description, and instructions. And then right over here, you can start chatting with it, iteratively building it as you go. You can see we have options for adding basic tools. Those are just normal tools that reach out, do a job, come back. Context tools, which give the LLM information about the context in which it should operate. And agent tools, which are chat tools themselves. So sort of the main chat bot can hand off to these agent tools. That's the basics of the builder. If we jump back to our splash screen here, the next thing I'll show super quickly, you can also edit existing scripts as well by clicking the pencil. And then the last thing I'll show off here is the ability to set a workspace when you're chatting with an agent. So I've launched the knowledge agent I've written, and this can interact with PDFs and markdown files on my system. But it needs to know where to look for those, so I need to give it a workspace. By default, all GPTScript chat sessions get just a random workspace folder, but we can change that here to a specific one and continue and restart. And then let's see here, you can see I have all these just random files here. And I'll show you real quick asking a question of one of them. We'll target the employee handbook. These are just random PDFs I test with. So what states in my employee handbook have specific policies? This was a question I gleaned just from kind of glancing at the PDF earlier. You can see it's asking to launch that tool. And because I set my workspace, it knew where those files were to basically get that data. And this came back super quick with an answer. First time you ask a question, it'll take slightly longer than that. I already asked this question, so it build up the indices as needed. But that does it. Super quick demo of v0.9. Thanks a lot.